Hi, I'm Erin Matthew with Academic Advancement in Home Tutoring, and today we're going to talk about how to make those all-important math facts fun for your students to learn. So as students are learning math facts, it's really important for them to eventually be able to get them just as quick as a snap so that they can move on. As students learn more processes and start applying those math facts, if they know them just quick as a snap, it really makes it so much simpler for them to be able to learn how to apply those math concepts as they go further on. Flashcards such as these are abundant and inexpensive, but they do tend to get monotonous as kids work with them from time to time. So let me give you some ideas on how to mix it up so that your child can learn their math facts. One of the great things that you can do is to keep a journal that records the accuracy and time each time that they do their flashcards, so they can see that they're improving in their time and in their accuracy. Another thing that's fun to do is to have a race. So split your deck in half and race with a parent or a sibling to see who can get their facts done the fastest. Another thing that you can do that's fun to do is to play war with your flashcards. So just like that game where you divide the deck in half and whoever has the highest number takes both cards, and then when one player has all the cards, they're the winner. So you can do that where they have to do the math facts for both cards to be able to determine who wins that round. And that's a fun way to use your flashcards as well. Another thing that you can do is to use a regular set of like face cards, and you can use these and choose an operation. So you could say multiplication, for example. So if I lay down an 8 and you lay down a 2, then the answer would be 16 for that one if we're doing multiplication. So you can just times them or add or subtract to whatever you like with those flashcards. Another thing that's fun to do with flashcards as well is to make a bingo card. And then as they do the flashcards, they can put a bingo on each one of the answers that they get and see who wins bingo first with their flashcards. Another thing that you can do is, if you have one sticking fact that the kids just aren't getting, is take that flashcard and put it on the fridge, and each time they go to the fridge they'll be able to remember what 8 times 6 is, or whatever it is that they're having a difficult time with. So that's some ways that you can mix up flashcards a little bit more to get more diversity out. Another thing that's fun to do as your kids learn their math facts is to get some manipulatives for those hands-on kinesthetic learners. And these are a fun one that you can buy at teacher supply stores. They're called wrap-ups. And there's lots of little tips and tricks that you can pick up at those teacher supply stores that will help your kids. Another thing is to give them what they're working with at school. So oftentimes at school they're working with like the math grid, and you can print these off online. We have links to worksheets and math grids at academicadvancement.org on the page for tips from a teacher. So you can look for that also to get some ideas and kind of utilize what they're already using at the school. And if you need further assistance, Academic Advancement offers excellent one-on-one tutoring that we're able to move kids toward success in your own home. And be sure to sign up for our free email list where we send out more tips and tricks from the teachers to help you and your students. So thank you, and I'm Erin with Academic Advancement.